know what has gotten into me, but I've been really into like these little dainty hoops recently, and normally I'm like a big earring kind of person, but I don't know, I've just been really into like these tiny little dainty hoops. Hey y'all, it's Hannah and welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you are new here. If you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this pastel makeup look right here. I don't think I did half bad for my first fullish on pastel look. Now, I did do a pastel look last year, and I'm going to have that video linked down below in the description box, so if y'all want to go check it out, you can. But pastels have just been all the rage this year. And I really wanted to do a pastel look, so if you would like to see me achieve this look, then just keep on watching. To achieve this gorgeous pastel eye, we are first going to be taking the shade Shell from the Profusion Festival palette, and I'm just going to be applying that to the outer half of my lid and into my crease with this tiny little fluffy crease brush. I'm going to take the shade Hipster from the same Profusion Festival palette, and I'm going to be applying that to the inner half of my lid using this little flat shader brush. Going in with the Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette, I'm going to take the shade Inspire, and I'm going to apply that over the top of the shade Hipster. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to be damping this flat shader brush with a little bit of the Morphe X Jeffree Star Continuous Setting Mist. And the reason why I want to kind of damp the brush just a little bit is because I really want that shimmer to really be intense and to pop. Alrighty, so now I'm going to be curling my eyelashes and putting on some mascara. Again, I'm just going to be using the Believe Beauty Extended Lash Lengthening Mascara because I'm trying to use this up. And I'm just going to be doing my upper lashes for right now. I'm wearing my hair up today in a ponytail, and I kind of don't know how I feel about it. But anyway, we're going to move on to lashes, and I'm using the brand Kasshina lashes, and these are in the style 76. They're not named, it's just numbered. These are really, really pretty, and I've been dying to use these. A very sweet subscriber sent these to me, so I'm just going to be using these lashes today. And I did my foundation, my concealer, and my powder off camera. So now I'm back to finish up the lower lash line area. So I think what I'm going to do is go in with my Profusion Little Spectrum palette for my lower lash line, because I just got this in the mail today. I just ordered this, and I've been wanting this little palette for a while now, so I decided to treat myself and just go ahead and get it. And I'm actually going to use the shade Bermuda, which is just right there. It is that really pretty soft sky blue color, and I'm going to be smudging that onto my lower lash line because I feel like the more pastel colors we can incorporate in this look, the better. And I'm just going to be using this tiny little angled brush to apply the color down there, and then I'm going to be using the same Believe Beauty mascara on my lower lashes as well. I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics Brilliance Bronzer, and this is just in the shade Golden Cow, and I really like this bronzer, which is why I'm using it today. It is a nice kind of satiny finish, and to apply it, I'm just going to be using this big fluffy brush. Next up for blush, I'm just going to be using this one from e.l.f. This is a really pretty blush in the shade Shy. And it's just a really pretty soft pink color. So I kind of thought that it would go really nicely with our pastel-y eyes. And to apply it, I'm just going to be using this angled brush. I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighter in the shade Blossom Glow. And the reason why I picked this highlight is because it has the name Blossom in it. And blossom is what the flowers do in the springtime. Now, however, I'm not really a big fan of spring. I like summer, but I'm not a huge fan of spring because whenever I think about spring, I always think about pollen. And whenever I always think about pollen, I always think about asthma flare-ups. So, yeah, pollen is definitely one of my asthma triggers. But anyway, I'm going to be using the Chico highlighting brush to apply this highlight. Last but certainly not least is lips, and then we're done. So for lips today, we're actually not going to be using a nude lip color. We're actually going to be using a pink, and I know that is a very big step for me in my makeup tutorials. So first we're going to go in with the Kylie Jenner lip liner in the shade Coco K. This is my favorite lip liner formula because it is just so smooth and just so creamy. I absolutely love it. And then over the top of the lip liner, I'm going to be applying this lipstick from this brand that I have no idea how to pronounce. They are spelled Illamasqua, and this lipstick is in the shade Cosmic, and this is a really pretty soft pink color. This has been in my everyday go-to lipstick recently. It is a matte finish. I just love this lipstick so much. So that is what we are going to be using today. Alright everyone, so that is this completed Pastel makeup tutorial. I really hope that you all did enjoy this video. Thank you all so much for watching this. And if you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and come and be a part of my unicorns. I post and upload new videos every Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays at 9:45 a.m. Eastern Time. And also don't forget to give me a big thumbs up down below. And don't forget to go over and follow me on social media so that way you can keep up with me and keep up on when I'm going to be posting new videos. So, with all that being said, thank y'all so much for watching this video. I greatly appreciate it. And I will see you all in my next video really soon. Bye, my little unicorns.